Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic of what is transformer and types of transformer. The transformer is a static device which is used to transfer the electrical energy from one AC circuit to another AC circuit with increase or decrease the voltage or current but without any changes in frequency. It is important to remember that the input of the transformer and output of the transformer both are alternating quantities. We know that the electrical energy is generated and transmitted at extremely high voltage. The voltage is to be then reduced and lower value for domestic and industrial use. Thus, it is done by using the transformer. It is possible to reduce the voltage level using the transformer. This is called step-down transformer. On the other hand, we can also use the transformer to increase the voltage level. This is known as step-up transformer. Here we note that when the transformer changes the voltage level, it changes the current level also. The construction of single-phase transformer is very simple. Here, the figure of the single-phase transformer. The construction of single-phase transformer. The windings are connected to the AC supply is called primary winding, whereas the other is called secondary winding. The AC supply is connected to the primary winding, whereas the load is connected to the secondary winding. The primary and secondary are isolated from each other as well as the iron core. Thus, there is absolutely no physical connection between primary and secondary winding. Now we discuss the topic of transformer types. The transformers are generally divided in two types. They are core type and cell type transformer. The core type transformer and cell type transformer figure are shown in this slide. The core type transformer, the windings surround the iron core. Both windings are divided and half of each winding is placed on each limbs. They are shown in figure number 1, so that the winding can be closely coupled together to keep leakage flux and hence leakage reluctance is very low. The low voltage winding is wound on the inside near to the core, where high voltage winding is wound on the LV side winding away from core in order to reduce the amount of insulating material required, and also insulation of the low voltage winding is easy. With the arrangement of this winding, only one layer of high voltage insulation is required and removal or repair for high voltage winding, which is more reliable for fault than low voltage winding. It is easy and convenient. Now we discuss the cell type winding. The cell type transformer, the windings are put around the central limb and the flux path is complicated through the slide, and they are shown in the previous slide figure. The central limb carries the total mutual flux, while the slide limbs forming the parts of parallel magnetic circuit carry the half of the total flux. Consequently, the cross-sectional area and hence width of the central limbs is twice that of each of slide limbs. The sandwich type winding is used in the winding section and primary winding and secondary winding of which between section and primary section. We also compare the core type and cell type transformer winding. Here are the main points to which the comparison are concluded. The first one is construction. The core type transformer can be easily assembled compared to cell type transformer. Second point is repair. Repair is easy in core type because more portion of the winding is easily rubber. Core type transformer can be removed easily for repair. Now, the third one is cooling. In the case of a core type transformer, the windings surround the core. The windings are exposed and therefore cooling is better than winding in the core. While in the cell type transformer, the core is exposed and therefore cooling is better in the core than the winding. The most valuable parts of the transformer is the insulation of the winding. Therefore, core type constructions affordable and better heat dissipation. The fourth point is leakage reactance. The leakage reactance of the cell type transformer is smaller compared to core type because the better leakage between LV and HV winding. The fifth point is mechanical forces. The cell type transformer are more robust mechanically compared to the core type because the better support of the winding against the electromechanical force. The windings are enclosed by core in cell type transformer. Now the last point is application. Cell type transformer is better for low voltage and large output, while the core type transformer is better for high voltage and comparatively small output. Thank you.